Dare to know. Immanuel Kant's rallying cry encapsulated the essence of the Enlightenment, an era where reason triumphed over dogma. The 18th century witnessed a profound intellectual and cultural shift. Thinkers began to question established norms, challenging traditional sources of authority. This period, often referred to as the Age of Reason, marked a turning point in human history. From the hallowed halls of universities to bustling coffee houses, a new thirst for knowledge pervaded society. It was a time when natural philosophy, as science was then known, flourished, forever altering our understanding of the world and our place within it. Carl Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist, physician, and zoologist, emerged as a luminary during this era. His groundbreaking work, Systema Naturae, revolutionized the way we classify and order the natural world. Linnaeus introduced the system of binomial nomenclature, a two-part naming system using Latin that is still employed today. This elegant system, assigning a genus and species name to every organism, brought clarity and organization to the study of life. Before Linnaeus, naming conventions were inconsistent and often confusing. Linnaeus's system provided a universal language for scientists, transcending geographical boundaries and linguistic differences. Linnaeus's contributions extended beyond taxonomy. He was also a gifted observer of nature. He developed a keen interest in plant sexuality, recognizing the importance of flowers in reproduction. His work on plant classification was based on his meticulous observations of floral structures. Linnaeus's hierarchical system, grouping organisms based on shared characteristics, laid the foundation for modern taxonomy and our understanding of evolutionary relationships. Antoine Lavoisier, a French nobleman and chemist, stands as a monumental figure in the history of science. Often hailed as the father of modern chemistry, Lavoisier's meticulous experiments and groundbreaking discoveries transformed the field. He is best known for his pioneering work on the nature of combustion, overturning the long-held phlogiston theory. This theory, prevalent at the time, posited that a fire-like element called phlogiston was released during combustion. Lavoisier, through his rigorous experiments, demonstrated that combustion was not about the release of phlogiston, but rather the combination of a substance with oxygen. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of chemical reactions. Lavoisier's meticulous approach to experimentation, including his emphasis on precise measurements, set a new standard for scientific inquiry. He meticulously weighed reactants and products, proving that mass is conserved during a chemical reaction. Lavoisier's contributions extended beyond his work on combustion. He made significant contributions to the understanding of elements, compounds, and chemical nomenclature. He established the law of conservation of mass, a fundamental principle in chemistry. His work laid the foundation for modern chemistry, shaping our understanding of the composition of matter and the nature of chemical reactions. Joseph Priestley, an English chemist, theologian, and natural philosopher, played a pivotal role in the advancement of our understanding of gases. His experiments, often conducted with simple yet ingenious apparatus, led to the discovery of several key gases, including oxygen. Priestley's investigations into the nature of air were groundbreaking. He isolated and characterized various airs, as gases were then known, challenging the prevailing view that air was a single elementary substance. In 1774, Priestley made a landmark discovery. He isolated a gas that he called dephlogisticated air, which we now know as oxygen. He observed that a candle burned more brightly in this gas, and that a mouse placed in a container filled with it lived longer than one in a container filled with ordinary air. Priestley's discovery of oxygen was a major milestone in the history of chemistry. It paved the way for a deeper understanding of respiration, combustion, and the role of gases in various chemical processes. While Priestley is best known for his work on gases, his interests were wide-ranging. He was a prolific writer and a prominent figure in the dissenting religious movement. He was a staunch advocate for religious freedom and a supporter of the American Revolution. Priestley's scientific curiosity and his commitment to intellectual freedom left an enduring legacy, inspiring generations of scientists and thinkers.